Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss how to design a DFA of strings having zeros and ones, which is going to accept even number of zeros and even number of ones. Okay, so this one is the most important question that you might get in all the examinations and in all competitive exams. Okay, so here the thing is, what we have to do, we have to accept only the string which has even number of zeros and even number of ones. Okay, so here the logic goes like this. Okay, so what we have to do is, in every step we have to check how far we have gone and what we have seen, which means we have seen zero number of zeros or one number of zeros or two number of zeros, which means mainly we are going to check how far we have seen that 0 and whether it is even or odd, and same like that for 1 also, how far we have saw 1 and whether it is even or odd, like that. Okay, now what are all the alphabets here? Alphabets are 0 and 1, right? Alphabets are 0 and 1, and the languages means the strings we are going to accept, right? So the strings we are going to accept is, first is empty set. Why? Because 0, which means 0 is an even number, right? 0 is an even number. So we can have a string which is having no element or no characters. Okay, we can accept that one also, or we can accept 0 0 1 1, and it can be like 0 0 1 1 or 1 0 1 0 or 0 1 0 1 0 0, so on. At the end we should have even number of 0 and even number of 1. Okay, so what we have to reject? We have to reject strings like 0 1 or 0 0 0 or 1 1 1 0, like this. Okay, so we have to reject this kind of strings. Okay, now we have languages. Now how many states we need? So we need 4 states. I will tell you why we need 4 states. Okay, we need 4 states, that is Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. Why? Because Q0 is a state which is going to accept even 0, even 1. Okay, Q1 is a state which is going to accept even 0, odd 1. Remember this one, we have to check all the possible combination. Even 0, even 1, even 0, odd 1. Q2 will be the state which is going to accept odd 0, even 1, and Q3 will be the state which is going to accept odd 0, odd 1. So we have all the possible combinations. Okay, so in our problem we have even number of zeros and even number of ones. So Q0 is a final state. But if the question is like even number of 0 and odd number of 1, then this one will be the final accepting state. If it is odd 0 even 1, this one. If it is odd 0 odd 1, this one. So if you have a question like even 0 even 1, even 0 odd 1, odd 0 even 1, odd 0 odd 1, for every question this is the solution. Okay, the solution goes same like this, but final state will only be changing. So let us write the transition diagram. Now let us take two baskets. Okay, so one basket is for 0 and one basket is for 1. Okay, now at first we have even 0, even 1. Okay, even 0, even 1. So now what I will do is, I will keep this basket as it is. I will add 1 to this basket. So it will be, here there is nothing, which means even 0 as it is, but here I added 1 to the 1 basket, which means it become odd 1, right? Odd 1. So even 0, odd 1. Check which state has even 0, odd 1. This state. So when I fill 1, to the basket, or Q0 means even 0 even 1, right? Q0 on 1, it is moving to Q2 state. Okay, done. Is it clear? Q0, which means E10, E11 on 1, it is moving to Q1 state. Done. Now keep the basket as it is, E10, E11. Now I will keep this one as it is, which means empty. I am going to add 0 to this basket, which means odd 0, E1, 1. Which state has odd 0, even 1? Q2 state. So now Q0, which means E10, E11 on 0, it is moving to Q2 state, which means it is moving to odd 0, E11 state. So Q0 is done. Now let us check it for Q1. Q1 has even 0 but odd 1, which means it already has 1. Okay, it already has 1. Now what I will do is I will add 1 0 here, which means it become odd 0. Here I kept it as it is, which means odd 1. Which one has odd 0, odd 1? Q3 state. So this is the Q1 state, right? Or even 0, odd 1, Q1 state. On adding 0, it is moving to Q3 state. Done. Now take it back to the original state. Q1 on E10, odd 1. So here I am keeping this one as it is. Now I am adding 1 again. So it is E1 0, E1 1. Q1 on E10, E1 1. It is moving to Q0 state. Is it clear? So you have to check it like this. Okay. So Q1 state is done. Now for, let's take it for Q2 state. Okay, Q2 state which has odd 0, E1 1, which means which has already 0. How? Because Q0 on 0, right? It already has 1 0, odd 0, even 1. So now what I will do is I will add one more 0 here, which means I will add one more 0 here. So it will become 2 zeros means even, right? E1 0, this one as it is, E1 1. So I added 1, right? So E10, E1 1 means Q0 state. So Q2 on 0, which is moving to Q0 state. Done. Now keep this one as it is, which means keep this as odd 0 only. Now let us check it for this, which means I am adding 1 here. So it will become odd 0, odd 1. Which one has odd 0, odd 1? This state. So I added 1, right? So Q2 on 1 moving to Q3. Done. So Q2 state is done. Now I am taking it for Q3 state. Here it has odd 0, odd 1, right? Odd 0, odd 1. Odd 0, odd 1, right? So now what I will do is I will add 1 0 here. So it will become even 0, odd 1, right? Which one has even 0, odd 1? I added 0 here. So even 0, odd 1 is this one. So Q3 on 0, it is moving to Q1. Done. Now let us check it for 1. Okay. So now what I will do is I will add 1 here. Okay, I will add 1 here. So this one will be odd 0 only and this one will be even 1. Check which one has odd 0, even 1. This one. I added 1 here, right? So Q3 on 1, it will be moving to Q2 state. Now just glance the transition diagram. It is very simple that Q0 on 0, Q2 on 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. It is like this. It is very easy for you to remember 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, now in the problem we have even number of 0 and even number of 1. So done. Now my question is, if the problem is like this, even 0, odd 1, what will you do? You will do just simple one thing, that is you will remove this as final state and you will give this as a final state. That's it. If you have a question like odd 0, even 1, remove everything as final state, keep this one as final state. That's it. So from just one example you have solved 4 questions. Okay. So in the examination, if you get odd 0, even 1, or even 0, even 1, or odd 0, odd 1, just follow the same method. Okay. Now let us take some of the examples and check whether our transition diagram is correct or not. Okay. So let us take the first example, 0, 0. We need to accept only even number of terms, right? So Q0 on 0, it is moving to Q2. Again 0, Q2 on 0, it is moving to Q0. This is the accepting state. Done. Now let us take it for 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Q0 on 0, right? Q0 on 0, it is moving to Q2, and then Q2 on 1, it is moving to Q3. Done. And Q3 on 0, it is moving to Q1. Done. Then again 1, so Q1 on 1 moving to Q0, and Q0 on 0 moving to Q2, and Q2 on 0 again moving back to Q0, which is an accepting state. So we have solved 2 examples, both are correct, so our transition diagram is right for proper string. Now let us check it for whether it is going to reject or not. So let us check it for 1, 1, 1, 0. So Q0 on 1, it is moving to Q1 state. Q1 on 1, it is moving back to Q0 state. Again Q0 on 1, it is moving to Q1. Now Q1 on 0 moving to Q3, which is not accepting state. So this string will get rejected. Okay, so this is how we solved this most important question. I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video. Please share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.